What's up, all you good looking people? I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the support for Fitness Realty. But this video is all about training on voice text clips. I've actually recently started using this. Everybody on our staff probably has seen it. Every time that I'm like, hey, I think I might text this person on our staff or on our team, or even some of my family members and stuff, I'm like, man, I want to just use this voice clip because it really gives you a sense of personalized feedback, or feedback's not the right word. It's really a personalized way of communication. So I'm going to show you right here, right now, what I'm talking about. I'm going to open up a text to my mom. Let's see. So I've got my mom right here. You guys probably can't read that anyway. It's okay. So everybody's phone should have a little microphone that is not the talk to text, right? So the thing that turns your voice into texting, that's not what I'm talking about here. The thing that I'm talking about is this little voice recorder button. And I don't know what it looks like on iPhone. I'm sure it's there, so you guys can definitely find that. The thing that I'm talking about in here is this, it looks like a little voice microphone next to that happy face. That's the one that I'm going to click on and hold. So check this out. What's up, Mom? I'm just hanging out here. We're making a training video all about voice text clips. I'm so excited to share this with everyone. I think that this is a great way to personalize our communication and really get our name or have people think about us, and not just in a text format. We all know that people can text and read that, but when it's in a voice text, it's just something else that's a little more powerful. And boom, I love to share this with everyone. Later. And then I just click off of it, and then you can see I've got this little 28-second recording ready to go. Boom, I send it to her. Awesome. So I really think that this is a great way to send a personalized communication to each one of your proposed clients, friends, family, your sphere of influence. And this is a great way to set something up that if you have that type of person that if you get on the phone with them and it's going to be a 1-hour phone call, this might be a great way for them to for them to hear your voice and hear how excited you are to talk to them. But if they're not ready for a phone call, maybe they can just hear you or whatever. Maybe they will still call you. So you might need to be prepared for that. However, like I said, I think this is a great way that people can actually hear your voice. It is faster than creating like a little video clip. I did try to do some of those, but if you're not using BombBomb or a paid video clip supporter, it's super hard to use those. Maybe one day I'll start using it, but I think that these voice clips are the next level from where text messages are. So anyway, I love you guys. I hope that this will bring some value to you. I hope that you can connect more easily with your sphere of influence. I think that they're working for me, but I'll let you know. Maybe people hate them. So if you hate them and you give me some feedback, let me know. All right, we'll see you guys, and thanks so much for the support. Love you. Hopefully this is valuable.